The Angel Face is a simple yet elegant cocktail that gracefully balances gin, apricot brandy, and Calvados. It's a smooth, fruity drink that's perfect for those who enjoy a touch of sweetness in their cocktails. You will need the following ingredients: 1 ounce gin. A classic London dry gin works well. 1 ounce apricot brandy. Use a good quality, smooth apricot brandy. 1 ounce Calvados, a type of apple brandy from the Normandy region of France. For equipment, you will need cocktail shaker, ice, strainer, chilled cocktail glass. Here are the instructions. Fill a cocktail shaker with ice. Add 1 ounce of gin to the shaker. Add 1 ounce of apricot brandy. Add 1 ounce of Calvados. Shake well until the outside of the shaker is frosty and cold. Strain the mixture into a chilled cocktail glass. Serve immediately and enjoy. The Angel Face cocktail is one of the lesser-known classic drinks from the early 20th century, featured in Harry Craddock's 1930 The Savoy Cocktail Book. Its simple yet sophisticated blend of spirits makes it a timeless choice.